On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. I'm working on a new series of hubcaps, and this one I'm calling Pac-Man so far. But I started this one yesterday. It's like a few different layers of color on this one.
What do you mean? Everybody likes surprise parties. Let's note that.
Oh, yeah, Linda. Everybody loves coming back to their peaceful abode and having a bunch of people jump out and scream at them. Or surprise.
Huh. That is true, Mom. Dad doesn't like parties very much.
Well, we are doing some work right now. She's getting a new coat of paint. This is a pearl. At first, I wanted to do something to protest all of the blackface fashion that's going around, but then I decided, it's so old. People have been doing blackface for over 100 years. It's not new, and personally, it's fucked up, but I don't give a shit enough to dedicate my art to it. So I'm making her pearl on one side, more so because she needs a fresh coat. It's not a protest, but I'm not above putting on whiteface as a protest on myself. So if you see me looking like Eddie Murphy on Saturday Night Live when he does that skit, that's why. But this ain't it.